Welcome back to Kitchen Magic with Brandy. Today we are going to be doing blackened shrimp tacos with an avocado crema sauce. So you are going to need, obviously, jumbo shrimp. I messed up this time and I accidentally got the ones that are not peeled for me, so I'm going to have to peel them, which, oh well. You are going to need a type of slaw. My favorite slaw is the power slaw because it has a bunch of different veggies in it, including your Brussels sprouts and stuff, so it gives it a really nice crunch. You're going to need tortillas. Tortillas are very important when you're making tacos. If you can find a homemade tortilla, they're 1,000 times better than just the regular store-bought tortillas. You're going to need a couple of avocados that are ripe and ready to go. You're going to want to get some queso fresco. You're going to need your blackened seasoning. I like to use the H-E-B Texas style blackened seasoning. You're going to need some sour cream, and then you're going to need your mayonnaise. So let's get started on getting all of these lovely shrimp peeled, shall we? One down, 5,000 to go. Okay, so we've got all of our shrimp peeled. We're now going to season them generously with our blackening seasoning. And then we're going to set them to the side for about 10 minutes because we really want them to kind of absorb some of that seasoning. And while that is going on, we are going to make our slaw that is going to go on our tacos. Should we get this stirred down in there? But he gets a good. Okay. Now we're going to take our power slaw. Dip it in the bowl. We're going to do a generous spoonful of mayonnaise and just the slightest bit of that blackening seasoning. Let's get our spoonful. So like I said, generous spoonful of your mayonnaise. You want to make sure everything gets coated well. And like I said, we're just going to do a little bit of the blackening seasoning, just to give it a little bit of a kick. But we don't want to make it so spicy that these tacos are ridiculous. But that avocado crema is going to help cool it down quite a bit. Perfect. This is what we want our slaw to look like. Alright, now we're going to take our shrimp. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in our pan, just your regular EVOO, and then we are going to sear these shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. You want your pan fairly hot. See how our olive oil is smoking? Because as I said, this is a quick cook for these shrimp. Shrimp cook very, very fast. It says only a couple minutes on each side. You just want to get them to where they're pretty and pink. We're just going to take them out, set them in a bowl over to the side, and then we're going to work on our avocado crema. I just popped the tortillas in the microwave. You can either wrap them in foil and put them in the oven, or you can heat them up in the microwave like I did. We want to warm up our tortillas a little bit, and then we will be ready to plate. Okay, I've already done one avocado. We'll do another one. By the way, guys, not that this could happen to me because my knives are really dull, but one of the #1 ER visits is due to people trying to get the seed out of their avocado with a knife and slicing their hand open. One of the #1 cooking related incidences. So make sure you set your thing down here on the ground, pop it. Ooh, see, look, if my hand would have been there, I could have been in trouble. And then just pop that bad boy out. For a second, I need a spoon again. All right. Got 2 avocados. We are going to add probably equivalent to 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Actually, let's make that 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Pretty heaping tablespoons. Now you can use your masher and mix it or whatever. I have my handy dandy mixer here that I love to use. So teaspoon of garlic salt in there. For our tacos. I'm gonna throw this in there. Okay, now it's a time for assembly. We have got our slaw, our shrimp, our tortillas, our avocado crema, and our creme fraiche cheese. So first thing, we throw the spoon. Just kidding. First thing we do is we take a little bit of the slaw and we use it as the base in our taco. Then we're going to want to get, let's say, 4 or 5, depending on how many will fit, depending on the size of your taco. And I'm pretty generous with the shrimp because they are on the floor. They are the star of the dish. So, see, folks, this is not scripted. All right, so then we have our beautiful shrimp in there. We're going to add just a light few dollops of our avocado crema. And then we are going to crumble some of this beautiful cheese on top of it. And this is our shrimp taco. I hope you enjoy.